function blocks. So in today's class, we are going to make use of we are going to make use of we are going to make use of event, and possibly we'll make use of control today. Is that what you think? Then we will now make use of control, and this is where we will make more emphasis under control, because that control is where most of the programming logic lies. So we really need to pay attention under the control. So now, event, as the name entails, simply means trigger. When we be doing core JavaScript, it is called event. Event. You have what we call event listener, and listener, and event trigger. So those ones are for aftermath. Then the first thing we have in an event is when flag is clicked. When flag is clicked, when flag is clicked, that's the first one you have as an event. So this 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 when flag is clicked now, what does it imply? What is this? Under this event, we have this when flag is clicked. This is the flag we are talking of. You understand? Whenever we click this flag now, we will now trigger any other code that is behind it. That means any other thing we've been doing before, we can simply what? Trigger a code that will go along with it. Then we'll now have second one now. The second one we'll have here is when space key, when space key pressed. Do you understand? See what happened now. This one has a drop down. That means you have a lot of options along with it. So we'll take an illustration now. I want us to do something like Habatech. Okay. EMA, right? Okay, now this is something that has only one letter. Let's just use
Sam.
Sam is SAM. That's all right. Okay, we'll try Sam now. So that when we click on X, the X will rotate. Click on the next, what's the next letter? A, it will rotate. Then M, it will rotate. Do you understand? So now we go along now. I just want us to appreciate the use of this. That's what I want us to. So next one. First of all, we are going to choose what?
So first letters. I mean, Anya. Put here.
Let's use letters.
SAM. So put the yellow one. No. Say the green one. The green one.
Don't worry, wait.
So the green one.
So the thing is Sam. So use the three different ones.
Huh? Different. Okay. Then I want to use another one. I go to letters.
A.
I want to choose my A.
That is the beginning letter of my name.
We now go to
The beginning letter of my name. Yes.
and choose the last one. Now, Sam. Now, it's very simple. Remember, if I want this thing to start rotating, it's very simple. We are going
Go
to
to
motion.
motion, yes.
Thank you. Then, I will start
Motion is
with,
not there.
please, if I write a code on this now, what will happen? If I write a code, any code I write now, which of these sprite has it?
So the green.
M.
The one on F. How do we know?
because you highlighted it.
Selected. So let's start from X. Let's start with from X. Very simple. Then we go to motion. So now, when we pick on this X, for instance, now we want it to be rotating. I will still need to go to control though. Okay. Let's say that I want it to rotate. We want it to rotate by 50 degrees. No, let us want it to rotate at 15 degrees. Anytime we press X, letter X. You know what I mean by rotate? Want it to rotate. So now it will turn. Then no. Now the next thing we are going to do now, we'll now go to event. I'll go to event. Pick this now. When pressed, do you get it now? I will now change this thing and change. Look for what? Which letter will I see?
Yes.
Can you see a lot of this thing? You now look for X.
Yes, I can see.
And I look for S. Whenever I press X in the keyboard, let me look for screen keyboard so that you will see it. Whenever I press S in the keyboard, it should rotate. Wait. Okay, it's using hardware keyboard. Wait. Hey, uncle. Okay, look at it. It's rotating. If I press this X key now, it will start rotate. It will start rotating. Can we see it now? So if I press any other key, it will not mind us until I press what? Key X. Are we getting it?
Yes, sir.
Are we getting it? So now let's do the same for this key now. It's very simple. I want to duplicate it, isn't it? Just drag it and place it on this one. If I go to A now, can you see now? Do you see what I did now? You do not see. Let me. Okay, let me do it on delete the log. I want to delete it now. You do not see. See, I'm supposed to write. Remember, I'm supposed to write the whole of this in this same code now so that it will implement in A. Right? I will do the same for M. Are we getting it? So instead of doing it, dragging it one after the other, since I've written it here, I will just drag this thing now and place it on. Can we see it now? And make sure that there is a blue icon. The sprite is already on blue. Once I release it now, it will duplicate this code, the whole of this code I have dragged here inside this A. Can you see that this M is still empty? Because I've not done this to M. If I duplicate the same thing to on M now, it will still happen. I will simply go to M, do the same thing. If I go to M now, can you see? It's not working. It will not do it well. Something is wrong. Are you sure it's not up here? It will work. No, I want us to do it.
I know what it is. I'm doing it. The two of them are left. And
Okay.
only.
Okay, let's quickly duplicate it. we go to emoticon. Now this is M, right? Sam should be here. This is M. What do I choose here? What do I choose here? What do I choose? A, right? Okay, it's an M. When I choose M, then the next one will have A, right? A. So one will run this thing now. If we implement this, once we implement this, what do we have now? Anytime I press the keyboard, let's go to the keyboard now. Just click on this place. Look at by the right. Can you see full screen? After this place, can you see where the right full screen? And once I click on it now, it becomes a full screen. You understand? I cannot play the whole game. Now, once I click on X, our tool will rotate. If I click on A, it will rotate. If I click on M, it will rotate. Huh? You understand it now? So now, when you go, you will try it at home. Then the next one now, please let's be fast. The next thing will when now let's try another one. Apart from using this one is when this sprite is clicked, what happened now? It's only when I click on the sprite itself, it will rotate. Do you understand it now? It's once I click on this, it will rotate. Are we seeing the implication? Are you seeing the implication of events? But if I do the same here, it will not work. Because what happened? Because what happened? Okay. Now, so the next one we want to take is please let me pass. When you have looked at the implication of this one thing here, let's go to event. The next event we have is when backdrop switch. When backdrop switch. Do you understand it now? This one will only work. This event will only be triggered when the backdrop is switched. So for instance, you know where we can make use of this thing? In our previous project we did.
Yes,
whereby it will be at again we can now place this event now. When you now place this event at when the social backdrop is you should say welcome. So for instance now, let's with this now, I will give you an assignment. Look at your assignment. I want you to develop a moving sprite that move through a 3 stage, maybe 3 pages. You know that one. That one not control. I will see that we know it's control. So we are taking it that way. So now look at your project. Write it down. Develop a moving sprite now. It will move through a stage in 3 stages. At the last place now, listen to what's going on. At the last stage, another spirit will tell you welcome.
Huh?
Can we try it?
Welcome. We want to say welcome.
I will not say welcome.
No.
Let's do the last one. When message is received, when a message is received, what does it imply? It simply means that when the message is received, it simply means that it's only triggered when a particular split sends a message. I will repeat more of this when we are doing very well. So I think with this now, just go and try that and ask you to do.